Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the German shipyard and we are looking at the first dry dock in Jamaica. This dry dock will be able to lift ships out of the water so they can be repaired or do regular maintenance. This dry dock costs over 6 billion Jamaican dollars. It's opening up a whole new industry or business in Jamaica. So this dry dock is actually coming from Germany. That's where it was built, and it sailed all the way halfway around the world to Jamaica. So that's the Kingston Harbour we're looking at, and we are at the German Ship Repair Jamaica Limited, GSRJ Shipyard. And they provide repair and maintenance services for commercial ships. So they acquired a floating dock. Now, this dock is named Dock 5, but it's going to be renamed Jam Dock 1 eventually. And it's towed from Germany to Jamaica, and the journey took 6 weeks. And it traveled over 10,000 kilometers. So it's now here in Jamaica, but they still have to set it up, and they're hoping to get it operational by the end of this year. It has to be registered with the Maritime Authority of Jamaica, and when that happens, it will be commissioned into service as Jam Dock 1. It's 250 meters in length, 35 meters in width, and it has a lifting capacity of 20,000 tons. So any ship that weighs 20,000 tons or less, it can lift it out of the water. And it's capable of dry docking the majority of commercial ships that visit Jamaica. So we're just going to give you some more information on this whole project. Economic opportunities are expected to abode for Jamaica through the establishment of a multi-billion-dollar ship repair and maintenance facility in the country. Called the German Ship Repair Jamaica GSRJ Shipyard, the project will provide dry docking that's lifting the ship out of the water for commercial vessels up to 20,000 tons, and a range of maintenance and repair services to vessels operating in and around the Caribbean and Central America. Phase 1 of the project, which is to be completed this year, is being undertaken at an overall cost of nearly 6 billion or 37 million US dollars, with financial partner Sagicor Bank committing to half of this amount as a bank loan. This will see the first floating dry dock, Jam Dock 1, becoming operational. And that's what we're looking at there now. It's now here, and it will soon be operational. Now, the Prime Minister, the Most Honorable Andrew Holness, delivered the main address at the launch of the Kingston Harbour along the Sir Florizel Glassbowl, said that this project will earn foreign exchange. It will provide high-quality jobs, and it will contribute greatly to the prosperity of our country, he added. Mr. Holness noted that the development will contribute to the positioning of Kingston Harbour as a global logistics hub, pointing out that each year Jamaica receives approximately 3,000 port calls, while approximately 180,000 vessels operate within the region. With the investments that are being made in improving Kingston as a logistic hub, we are certain that we have now closed one of the major gaps that have existed, that more ships passing through the region will be inclined to come to Jamaica, he said. For his part, GSRJ Limited Chief Executive Officer Colonel Martin Rickman said that the project represents a new industry for Jamaica with great opportunities for other spin-off businesses, hence even contributing more to the economy. He pointed out that Jamaica's excellent geostrategic location makes the country particularly suitable for having a shipyard. Detailing the specific operations of the facility, Colonel Rickman explained that we here at GSRJ Shipyard will be able to lift that ship out of the water to conduct many types of work on the hull, the propeller, engine repairs, and the entire 9 yards. So this is significant for us. By international maritime law, all ships are required to be dry docked to check for safety and integrity once every 5 years and attain class certification. The CEO said that the training component of the project is crucial to enable workers to meet the international standards to carry out the required operations. He informed that some persons have already been trained. The GSR partners include Harren and Partner Group Germany, Kingston Holding Jamaica, Kloska Group Germany, and Hatsan Shipyard Turkey. Government agencies involved in the project are the Development Bank of Jamaica, the National Land Agency, National Environmental and Planning Agency, the Attorney General's Department, and others. Several private sector entities are also involved in making the project a reality. The GSRJ started business in Jamaica in 2016 with the intention to build a ship repair facility at the Kingston Harbour to boost employment and introduce the country to viable economic activities in the shipping and maritime industry. Alright guys, so it's here and this is it. A major first for Jamaica. And as soon as I start operating, of course, we'll be out here to view them lifting the ship out of the water. All right, guys, let us know what you think about this dry dock. Leave your comments in the section below. And we will keep you guys updated as it is being put into operation or as it becomes operational. All right, guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.